Hey, I'm back with a video. It's been a while, but I've got something special, okay? Release date today, Xbox One X has officially been released onto the market, and we're gonna take a look and unbox it. Really simple, we're not gonna go over too much. We just wanna take a look and see what is inside the Xbox One X. Okay, so from a packaging standpoint, nothing too crazy. We've got Halo information on the back. We've got information about the 4K, 120 hertz. We've got the additional things like the Velocitor architecture, the 8K. We've got the 12 teraflops of computing power. It's a beast, really is. Like it's just, I have the Xbox One X. And I believe that's like 4 teraflops or 6. This one's just, it just kills it. It just obliterates it. The only thing is there's no games at the moment really that harness the power, but it's coming and I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. I probably need to get a new TV. I've got a 4K, 60 hertz, I believe, LG WebOS, but I think it may be time for an upgrade. I have to take advantage of this craziness. Anyways, let's take a look, get some things unboxed. Please ignore my wobbly table. It just makes for a new experience. Okay. One tape. In case you're wondering, it's very thick tape. Oh, we got another one here on the side. There we go. Yeah, 1 terabyte integrated SSD. It also has the ability to expand with the expansion port that's in the back of the console. So that's pretty cool. Unlike other console manufacturers, the expansion port is available at launch. Sony. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Ooh. Nice. So the actual console is here in this monolithic looking statue. Put that off to the side. And then just goes over your controller, the I/O on the back, all that kind of fun stuff. And in here, it's a cat. Well, I'm kidding. Sorry, it's not. I probably opened it up backwards. I did. Let's take a step back. Let's put that back. Close this. Not sure why they would let me open the wrong side. You know, it's just a tease because I'm not going to be able to get it back together. On my other channel, you can watch me for 5 hours try to put this packaging back together. I'm kidding. I really don't have another channel, but I wonder if people would be interested in a channel dedicated to somebody putting products back in their packaging. Anyways. Okay. There we go. Whew. Sweat. No, I'm just kidding. There. The front. That's where we want to have everything. HDMI. So this is important. You actually want to use this particular HDMI because it supports the ultra frame rate of the 120 hertz. Power, that's always important. Manuals, the controller. Now I've heard and read that the controller is better than the last one. I personally have the Elite controller. But I know there are some refinements on here that aren't on the Elite, but it's just, don't know, it's so light. The Elite is made out of like metal and plastic and everything together. It's got a rechargeable battery on the Elite. This does not, right? It's just got the AA batteries. But it does have the share button, and has a, I don't know, has a good feel to it, but I don't think I'll be using that myself. So let's put this all aside. Take off the packaging. It's wrapped like a Christmas gift. Now the console, of course, is it's a much different kind of, not necessarily size, like it is different in size, obviously, but it's very different in terms of form factor from the last consoles. You can either stand it straight up, or you can lay it on its side, depending on your configuration. It has one single fan on the inside that channels all the hot air through the console. But there it is. So yeah, you can either put it on its side like this, or stand it up like that. I don't know, I think standing it straight up looks really nice, really cool, interesting, different. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, give it a few rounds of some Call of Duty or whatever else. I've got the Game Pass and everything, so I can download tons of games and a bunch of different things. But yeah, there's your first look at the Xbox Series X 4K 120 frames per second console with just an absurd amount of processing power. It's just ridiculous. PlayStation, are you gonna even try? Are you gonna come to the game? Are you gonna come to the party? Probably not. But anyways, until the next video, I shall see y'all later, and game on.